Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will run System Restore with elevated rights, Open Control Panel Recovery, or Type RSTRUI. EXE and run. Once done, confirm system protection is enabled for your system drive and pick a recent restore point. If none appear, create a manual shadow copy later. Right now, disable third-party antivirus to avoid interference. Make sure you note any installed updates or drivers since the chosen date so you can reinstall them if needed. Now you'll start the restore. Choose the most relevant restore point and follow the prompts. Click Finish to begin. The PC will reboot and apply system files and registry changes. Do not interrupt this process because partial restores can corrupt your Windows state. If System Restore stalls or reports an error, restart into safe mode or win re and run RSTRUI. EXE there. This avoids driver conflicts and lets the restore complete cleanly. Make sure to note any error codes reported. After a successful restore, check that your programs and settings reverted correctly and reinstall any drivers or app updates removed by the restore. Once stable, run Windows Update and then sfc/scano followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix residual corruption. If System Restore repeatedly fails or reports critical errors, your best troubleshooting tip is to restore from a full disk image backup or perform a clean Windows reinstall. This resolves deep corruption that restore points cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.